You've just learned the 6 L blends. In this lesson, you will learn the 7 R blends. The R blends are almost the same as the L blends. The R is the last letter in the R blends, just like the L is the last letter in the L blends. In fact, with 5 of the 7 R blends, we will just change the L to an R. BL, CL, FL, GL, and PL will all change to BR, CR, FR, GR, and PR. We will remove SL and add DR and TR. Let's learn more about how to mark and read words that have R blends. Remember that a blend is 2 or 3 consonants that stand together, and each letter keeps its own sound when pronounced. There are 7 R blends. They are BR, CR, DR, FR, GR, PR, and TR. Notice that R is always the second letter in the blend. Like L blends, R blends are joined with an arc because most of the time, blends stay together and move together in words that are more than one syllable. Blend sounds are difficult to say by themselves. Joining the blends to a vowel to form a slide makes it easier to say the sounds of the blends. Let's join some R blends with these vowels and read them together. Ready? Fra, pri, tra. Remember, you can slide from a blend to any vowel. Read these slides. Cra, dra, gri. Good. Adding an ending sound to the slide forms a word. Read these words. Crab, drop, grip. Nice work. To mark blend words, work left to right. Place an arc under the blend first and then place an X under the vowel. Try marking this word on your own. First, mark the blend. Well done. Now mark the vowel. That's correct. Now read the word. Crab. Great job. Try marking this word. First, mark the blend. You did it! Then mark the vowel. Great! Now read the word. Drop. Nice work. Mark a few words on your own. Right. Great job. Now read the word. Grip. Good. Mark this word. Very good. Nicely done. Now read the word. Drum. Great. Mark this word. Great job. Good. Now read the word. From. Great. Mark this word. You did it! Right. Now read the word. Trip. Great. Mark this word. Great job. You did it. Now read the word. Drip. Great.
Select 3 activities for additional practice. Think about the level of challenge that is best for you. Choose this activity to practice selecting R blends. You will hear some words that have an R blend in them. Click on the button that has the sound of the blend you hear. For example, in the word crab, which blend do you hear? Crab. You hear a CR blend, so click the button marked CR. Try this on your own. Crab. You will hear some words that have an R blend in them. Click on the button that has the sound of the blend you hear. For example, in the word crab, which blend do you hear? Crab. You hear a CR blend, so click the button marked CR. Try this on your own. Crab. Good job. Drum. Correct. Crop. Nicely done. Prank. Not quite. Keep trying. Prank. Great. Trip. That's right. Trail. That's correct. Grace. Nice job. Grab. Correct. Free. Good. Brain. Good. Choose this activity to practice finding R blend words in order to complete a sentence. On this screen, you will see a sentence that is missing one word. The missing word is an R blend word. Read the sentence and then find the word with the R blend by sliding the bar in the jumble of letters below. Let's do the first one together. Ready? Read this sentence. I want to go on a trip. Good. Now find the word with the R blend. Click the next button when you are finished. Great job! Try this one. Nice job! Try this one. Right. Try this one. You did it. Try this one. You did it. Try this one. Great! Choose this activity to practice matching sounds to words with R blends. Match the spoken form of the word on the left with its spelling on the right. Click on the spoken form and then click on the spelling to draw a line between them. From. Great. Grab. Great job. Crib. Right. Trip. You did it. Drum. Great job. Match the spoken form of the word on the left with its spelling on the right. Click on the spoken form and then click on the spelling to draw a line between them. Free. Nice. Crop. Great. Brain. Nice. Prank. Nice. drag. Very good.
You have completed all the required activities. Great work! You completed this lesson at the mastery level. You are ready to complete the required vocabulary for this lesson. Then you can move on.